Right, first equation. Iron is reacting with water. For today's class, keep today's date, day and all. And right, iron, Fe, is reacting with water. Fe2O, which will give you Fe2O3. Fe2O3 plus H2. This is the equation. So is it balanced or unbalanced chemical equation? Please look into the board and you tell me balanced or unbalanced chemical equation.
Sir, can you say me that again? I cannot see the blood clearly.
Fe plus H2O will give you Fe2O3 plus H2. Understand? Fe, iron is reacting with water, which will give you iron oxide. Understanding? Iron 3 oxide plus H2. Is it okay? Dilipan?
Sir, not balanced.
Is it unbalanced or balanced equation? It's unbalanced.
Unbalanced.
So now let us balance. Let us go for balancing equation. This one. Understand? So first, what I said, what you have to write. So we have to construct the tabular column. So all of you start constructing the tabular column that contains how many columns are? 4 columns. One is serial number. Next one is name of the element. Name of the
elements.
Element.
Products.
Understanding? Next, reactant. And next one is products. Always you remember, these headings are not going to change. So this is my tabular column which I have constructed. You construct neatly because my board is small, so that I am constructing. So you people need to construct very big, not an issue. Now, what is the elements are present? Tell me, anybody? Arya, Dilipan?
Sir, Fe, H2O. Fe2O.
Start with iron. Understand? So this side iron is present. Next, second element. Hydrogen is present. Next, third element is present. Oxygen. Is it correct or not? Is there any other element is present here?
No, sir.
No. Now, in reactant side, you tell me how many iron atoms are present?
One, sir.
One. How many hydrogens are present? Two. How many oxygens are present? One. First step. Next, product side. How many ions are present?
Two.
How many oxygens are present?
2.
How many oxygens? 3.
3.
And how many hydrogens are present? 2. So now, this is the first step which we have to do before going to balance the chemical equation. Now here if you will observe, iron 1, hydrogen 2, oxygen 1. Here iron 2, hydrogen 2 and oxygen 3. So now, which one will balance first? Shall we balance with iron? So step 1.
Hydrogen.
Yes, step 1. We have to balance with iron only. Here 1 and here 2 it is there. So here see hydrogen is already balanced. So that we will start checking with the iron now. So you remember, sir, here hydrogen is balanced. So is it not required to balance further? Future means future. If you try to balance some other element, it may be again hydrogen also will change. So every time we have to cross check either every time the element is balanced or not. That you have to remember. Now step 1. Let us write the equation exactly down. All of you write. Iron is reacting with water, which will form iron oxide, Fe2O3 plus H2. So now, iron is here 1 and here 2. Now, which side we have to balance it? Product side or reactant side?
Reactant side.
Reactant.
So, product side, is there any change? No change. So, exactly I will write
No,
that.
sir.
So, no change. So, exactly I will write that. Now, here 2 is there and here 1 is there. So, I want to make it balance. So, which number I should multiply? I have to multiply the iron with 2. That's all. So 2 into 1, 2. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now
Yes,
I am multiplying the iron with the coefficient 2. Is there any change in hydrogen and oxygen?
No, sir.
No, sir. So that number of ions are becoming 2, number of hydrogens are becoming 2, number of oxygens are becoming 1. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
you start verifying. Iron is 2, balanced. Next, hydrogens are 2, balanced, but oxygens are here 1 and here 3. So now, which side we should balance? Product side or reactant side?
Reactant.
Reactant side. Now, 3 and here 1. So we want to make it balance. So how much we have to multiply?
3.
So 3, very good. So here no change in product side. So again will come same thing, 2, 2, 3. But product side you see, step 2. Step 2.
2, 2.
What will come? 2Fe, it is already balanced before. 2Fe plus, here which coefficient we have to multiply? Here H2O is there.
3. 3 H2O.
3H2O. 3 is the coefficient here. Underline that coefficients. How I am underlining? Which will give you here no change. Fe2O3 plus
Fe2O3 plus H2.
plus H2. Very good. So now, tell me, number of irons are how many? 2. Number of hydrogens? 3 2s are 6. And number of oxygens are 3. Number of oxygens are 3. Is it correct or not? Yes or no? You people understand?
Yes, sir.
Number of hydrogens, 3 2s are
Yes,
6.
Sir.
Number of oxygens, 3 into 1, 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, if you observe here, ions are balancing. Now, hydrogens here 6 and here 2. And oxygens are here 3 and 3. Now, again, hydrogen become unbalanced. So now, which side we have to balance it?
Product.
Product side.
Product.
Reactant side, is there any change? Reactant side, no change. So same exactly will come. Now product side, here hydrogens are 6, here 2. So now to make it 6, what we have to do? We have to multiply with. We have to multiply with
3.
3H.
very good.
3, sir.
So step 3, let us go for it. 2Fe plus 3H2O, which will give you Fe2O3 plus coefficient is 3, 3H2. So 3 2s are 6. That's all. So I am multiplying with the 3. So now here no change. Here what will come? 2, ions are 2, oxygens are 3, and hydrogens are 3 2s are 6.
6.
So now you verify. 2, 2, 6, 6, 3, 3. Is it balanced or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it balanced or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes, sir.
this is only known as balanced chemical equation. So you have to write at the last. Balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. You have to keep adding and write this equation and make a box. 2Fe plus 3H2O will give you Fe2O3 plus 3H2. That's all. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
You people understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
This is the way of balancing. So you try to balance it now. Along with me, how to balance it. Then only people can understand. You have done or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please,
sir.
sir.
Is there anyone? Is it easy or difficulty?
Easy only.
Easy only.
Easy,
Then you
sir.
will see difficult equations also will come. We have to balance it by using some tricks. The tricks and all I will say today. So write it. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Wait, I think others are writing. Along with me, you have to do it. When I will do first step, you also need to finish the first step. When I will do the second step, you have to do second step. Like that only, then only we will solve it fastly. So now, I'm going to erase now. Write the next equation. Others also, everybody try to communicate because only few fellows are communicating. You people, you cannot improve your skills. That is what I am saying. Everybody must speak with me, and if I am asking, you have to respond me if you know. That is right. Next question. Sodium hydroxide reacting with H2SO4. Sodium hydroxide. Word equation you write. You know correct how to write. Sodium hydroxide reacting with sulfuric acid. Sodium hydroxide reacting with sulfuric acid. Sodium hydroxide reacting with sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid gives sodium sulfate plus water. Gives sodium sulfate plus water. Sodium sulfate plus water. Can you say what is the word equation for this? Word equation, please. Word equation.
H2SO4.
Word equation means what will come? Sodium hydroxide. Understand?
Sodium
What, sir? Sir, gives what?
Sodium hydroxide.
Sir, sodium hydroxide reacting with sulfuric acid gives sodium
sulfuric
what, sir?
acid. Arrow which will give
Sodium sulfate plus water.
sulfate plus water. So this is the word equation. Understand? So my body is very small, so I am erasing this one. Now, What is the chemical equation? Anybody? Any idea? So sodium hydroxide. What is the formula? NaOH is the sodium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid. What? H2SO4. Sulfuric acid, which will give you sodium sulfate. Na2SO4. Sodium sulfate. Na2SO4 plus H2O. Water symbol is what? H2O. Is it okay, ma? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
what is the next step? Construct the what?
S number, elements, name of the elements, reactants,
Construct
products.
fastly with the scale. You people know me. I don't like the bad presentation. With the scale, you have to do it. Here, board, I will do it. But the scale in your notebook. If I'm drawing, you also finish it fastly. Reactants make double line middle separation and product. Is it okay, da? Yes or no? All of you. Now, what is the elements present? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Fastly, elements present.
Na
Na means what?
sodium, oxygen, hydrogen.
Next, hydrogen and sulfur. Is it correct or not? First, go with here. Sodium, oxygen, hydrogen. Here also same. Now,
Sir, you wrote in that sir.
oh, okay. Sorry. So here first, 1, 2, 3, 4. So sodium, oxygen, hydrogen, and sulfur. Now reactant side, count the sodium atoms and tell me. Reactant side, count the sodium atoms and tell me.
1, sir. 1.
Very good, Dina.
1.
Now, oxygens.
5, sir.
5 oxygens.
Five.
Here 1 and here 4.
Five.
Totally how many? 5.
5.
Understanding. Next, hydrogens. Here 2 and here 1. How many?
3, sir.
3. Everybody try to count correctly. Next, last one. Sulfur, how many?
1.
1,
1. Is it correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now, here, sodium, how many?
1, sir.
Hey, sodium.
2, sir. 2, sir.
Sodium 2. Oxygens are how many? 5.
4.
Hydrogens are how many? 2.
2.
And sulfurs are how many? 1.
1.
Clear? Any doubt means ask me. Can you able to identify number of atoms in both the sides?
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now see. Go for step 1. Step 1 balancing.
Yes, sir.
Understand? So step
Sir,
1 tell me.
oxygen and
So
sulfur
first
are
you
also
observe
balanced.
sodium. Here see 3 are unbalanced. Only sulfur is balanced and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 are unbalanced. So starts with 3 at a time. We cannot balance. Starts with any one. So let us start with first one. Sodium.
Sir, 2 is unbalanced, sir.
Wait.
Oxygen and sulfur.
Oxygen is unbalanced.
And hydrogen also. Hydrogen whom you will give? Hydrogen also unbalanced only. Have you noticed it here 3 and here 2 only? Yes or no?
Oxygen balance.
Oxygen balanced.
Oxygen is balanced.
Yes, oxygen balance. Sorry. Okay. So now you see NaOH. Write the equation. NaOH plus H2SO4. H2SO4 gives you what? Sodium sulfate. Learn the formulas carefully. Sodium sulfate plus H2O. Now, here, which side we have to balance it first now? Sodium I am selecting. Which side you will balance?
Reactant side.
Product side.
Reactants.
Reactant side and product side.
Reactant side.
Reactant side. So product side no change. 2, 5, 2, 1. Exactly will come same way. Now product side. So 1 need to become 2. So which number I should multiply? 2. So now,
Two.
is it possible to multiply only sodium or full this compound?
Compounds, sir. Totally.
Full
The
compound
compound.
with the 2.
Full
Now
compound.
2 is the coefficient. Now you count the atoms and tell me. Number of atoms and tell me fastly. Tell me fast. Number of sodium atoms. Number of sodium atoms. 2.
2, 10, 6, 2.
Next, number of oxygens. Here oxygens are 2 and here oxygens are 4. So 4 plus 2, 6. Next, number of hydrogens. Here 2 and here also 2. 2 plus 2, 4. And sulfur no change, 1. Is it correct or not? Yes or no? Yes or no, Padmarshini?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Have you
sir.
understood this?
Sir.
Yes. Now,
Yes, sir.
so we try to balance the sodium, but oxygen and hydrogen still they become unbalanced again. Before oxygen is balanced, now oxygen become unbalanced. Is it correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here oxygens are 6 and here oxygens are 5 and hydrogens here 4 and here 2. Now step 2. So which one we will choose? Hydrogen or oxygen? Which is easy to balance?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. So write the equation. 2NaOH plus H2SO4 gives you Na2SO4 plus something. We have to do it now. Now you tell me which side we should balance, reactant side or product side? Reactant side or product side?
Product side.
Product side. So reactant side same will come. So 2, 6, 4, 1. Now here you tell me. So here hydrogens are 4 and here hydrogens are 2. So to make the 2 become 4, so which number I should multiply?
2, sir.
2, sir.
So this full understand this full compound can I multiply with the 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why no response? People very less response. I don't know what is happening.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
now you observe. Tell me the number of atoms in reactant side. Sodium how many? Sodium
So sodium
2. Oxygens. Oxygen 4 plus 2.
6, sir.
6. Hydrogens 4. Sulfur 1. So now you verify. 2,
Balance, sir.
6, 6, 4, 4, 1, 1. Is it balanced or not?
Sir, how, sir? Hydrogen is 2.
Hydrogen is 2 will have 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are
But you have written 2, sir.
Where?
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
What, Padmarshini?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Here see, I try to balance the hydrogen, but oxygen also balanced. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the thing you should remember. Is it okay? Now solve it.
Yes, sir.
So last you have to write balanced chemical equation is balanced equation. How to keep heading and to write this equation. 2NaOH plus H2SO4 will give you Na2SO4 plus 2H2. Is it okay? Arvind? Arvind, you
Yes,
respond me yes or no. Are you understood or not, Arvind?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Continue now. All of
Completed,
you
sir.
try to solve. Don't copy from board. Now you are in 10th class. Don't follow the
Complete.
thing. What, Amma?
Completed, sir.
Completed. Yasini very fast. What about Dilipan?
I also completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Everyone. Dilipan? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can you balance next equation?
Yes, sir.
Let me see.
Yes, sir.
First. Okay. Some equations are there which you cannot balance easily. There we will apply the tricks. Don't worry. So now let us go for the next equation. Write it. Why you need to waste time? You write it. Magnesium nitrate. What equation write? Magnesium nitrate plus magnesium nitrate plus water. Magnesium nitrate plus water. Magnesium nitrate plus water. Arrow you keep and write magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide plus ammonia. Is it okay, da?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now chemical equation you write. Magnesium nitrate
MgO.
Mg3N2 magnesium nitrate plus water. What is the formula of water?
H2O.
H2O will gives you
2.
magnesium hydroxide
Mg.
twice. MgOH twice. How we should read this? MgOH twice. MgOH twice. Understanding? Plus ammonia.
NH3.
NH3. Now, before going to solve this equation, I will say you something that you remember in this. Particularly when we get here like thrice or twice means in the sense of this 2 is applicable for, it is the suffix, sorry, it is the understanding. This 2 is applicable for both the elements which is present inside the bracket. Are you people understanding now?
For both the elements.
Both the elements it will be. It is not for one. It is actually O2H2. So O2H2 we are writing as a, understanding, we are keeping the elements together and we are writing 2 is the common, we are writing 2 is the common under the subscript.
Twice.
So the subscript is applicable for both the elements which is present inside the bracket. You people do remember that. Are you people understand?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Suppose,
sir.
here suppose like this will come. 3MgOH twice. For example, I am saying for your purpose only. Now you tell me how many magnesiums there? Magnesium atoms are 3.
3.
And how many oxygens are there? How many oxygens?
5, sir.
Hello, what are you talking? 3 twos are.
6, sir.
Next, how many hydrogens are there? No addition, illa, multiplication. Hydrogens. Hydrogen also.
6.
6. Like that it will come. Is it okay, da? Doubt means ask me.
Sir, then for calcium oxide, calcium also 2, oxide also 2, sir. Then
Calcium oxide. Calcium oxide, only here, only one is there. Understood? That is, we balanced it. We have made it into lowest fraction. Understand, Dilipan?
Yes, sir.
Actual formula is calcium oxide Ca2O2, but both are divisible by same number, so that we are getting cancelled. Understanding? Understand, Dilipan?
Yes, sir.
Now, write the equation and try to balance it now, all of you. What is the element present? Tell me fast.
Magnesium.
Magnesium.
Hydrogen, oxygen.
Serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements is present, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now first element. Others also speak magnesium. Next one. Nitrogen.
Hydrogen,
Oxygen. Okay.
Oxygen.
Now, any one of you tell me reactant side. What is the number of count in magnesium? 3. Nitrogen.
3, sir.
2. Hydrogens.
2.
Oxygen. 1.
Oxygen.
1. Reactant side. Product side, you tell me. Product side. 1. Oxygens. Okay. We'll finish this one first.
Hydrogen 2.
Nitrogens.
Hydrogen 6, sir.
Nitrogens. Nitrogens.
Nitrogen 1, sir.
1.
Hydrogens.
Hydrogen 5.
Here 2 and here
5.
3. 5. Very good. Oxygens. 2. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Pranav?
No.
Dina?
Sir.
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
And now, try to balance. Which one you will balance? Magnesium. Shall we balance magnesium now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Product check.
Yes,
Product.
sir.
Now here 3 and
Product.
here 1. Which side will balance?
Product side.
Product side. So 3, 2, 2, 1 will come. This side no change. Exactly will come same thing. Now start writing the equation. Magnesium nitrate Mg3N2 will reacting with water, which will gives you understanding. So here we have to multiply with the 3. 3 is the coefficient. Understand? So magnesium hydroxide plus ammonia. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Now, so tell me what is the number of atoms in product side? Product side is changing. We are not only changing magnesium, remaining also changing. Tell me fast. What?
Magnesium 3.
Magnesium 3, nitrogen 1 only.
Sir, nitrogen 1, hydrogen 9, oxygen 6.
Yeah, very good. Hydrogen 9. 9 how means?
9.
3 twos are 6. 6 plus 3, 9.
Plus 6.
And oxygen, 3 twos are 6. 6. Is it correct or not?
6, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now, if you'll observe, this is the step 1. Now, step 2.
Sir, this time I can't understand, sir.
What, Ra?
Sir, this last step I can't understand.
Hydrogen, correct?
Ah, yes, sir.
Hydrogen, you see, here 3. 3 twos are how much?
6, sir.
3 twos are 6. Plus here, how many?
3.
Oh, 6 plus 3, how much?
9.
9. As well as oxygen, see, 3 twos are how much? Oxygen.
Oxygen 6.
That's all. Akshay, are you understanding, Akshaya?
Sir.
Jesse? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me. So now which side we have to balance it? Magnesium is balanced. Now you see nitrogen. Nitrogen here 2 and here 1.
Product.
So which one will balance?
Product.
Product.
Product, sir.
Product.
Product.
So reactant side no change. So 3, 2, 2, 1, and this side. What do we have to balance it? Step 4. Write it now. Mg3N2 plus H2O will gives you 3MgOH twice. Plus now here nitrogens are 2. Here 1. So to make it, what we have to do? To make it, what we have to do?
2NH3, sir.
We have to multiply with what? Which number?
We should
1 become
change
2.
now nitrogen, sir.
What? We have to
2.
which number?
Sir, 2NH3.
2NH3. Very good. So you are trying to change nitrogen, but hydrogen is also changing. So now tell
Yes,
me the
sir,
number,
yes, sir.
number of atoms in the product side. Magnesium.
Hydrogen, sir, magnesium 3,
wait,
nitrogen 2,
Wait,
hydrogen.
Padmashini, you wait. Arya, Yusera. Magnesiums are how many? 3. Correct? Next. Nitrogens how many? Nitrogens how many?
3, sir.
Hydrogens, you tell me. Count properly and tell me. Anybody you can speak now.
10,
Sir,
sir.
12, sir.
12, sir.
12.
12.
Very good. So here if you'll observe, 3 twos are 6. Plus also here, 2 threes are also 6. So 6 plus 6 how much?
12.
12.
Yes, sir.
Number of oxygens.
Same 6, sir.
Same, sir.
So now, if you'll observe, understand, this is the thing. So if you'll observe here, magnesium is balanced, nitrogen is balanced. Now, hydrogen and oxygen is not balanced. So now, which side we should balance? Reactant side or balance?
Sir, reactant side, we should
Reactants.
change hydrogen to
Reactant
12, sir.
Now, hydrogens here 12 and here 2. So to make it 2 become 12, which number we should multiply?
6, sir.
That's all. So now, Mg3N2 magnesium nitrate will reacting with 6H2O. 6H2O will use what? 3MgOH twice plus 2NH3. Understand? Now tell me, magnesium how many? 3. Nitrogens are 2. And oxygens are, hydrogens are how many? 6 twos are?
12.
6 twos are? 12.
6, sir.
12.
Oxygen 6.
Oxygen 6 ones are.
Oxygen 6, sir.
Now if you'll observe, 3,
Everything balanced, sir.
2,
Balance.
12, 12, 6, 6. So, balanced chemical equation. So, this is only known as balanced equation. Is it any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Are you
No,
clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the way of
Sir.
solving, understanding. So, if you are able to clear this, then we'll move to the next one. Do it fast.
Completed,
The
sir.
product side, only 3 columns you have drawn, sir.
Huh?
1 column also we have, extra 1 column we have to draw.
Extra 1 column. For what purpose? Four. It is actually 3 steps and
No,
it
sir, here
totally 4 steps it contains. That's all.
yes, sir.
Okay. Akshay is doing very fast. Okay. Is it completed?
Complete.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So now, here, for the next example, I will apply the trick. The trick one I will say after solving. So now, I will say that equation, you try to solve it. Then I will say the trick and later we will solve it. So now let us write the equation. Manganese oxide. Manganese oxide plus hydrochloric acid. Manganese oxide plus hydrochloric acid. Manganese oxide plus hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid gives means what? Arrow you can keep middle. Gives manganese chloride plus water plus chlorine gas. Dilipan, Purinjichapa?
Yes, sir.
Are you solving or not acting up?
Solving, sir.
Not solving means I will break the bones. You remember, there is no excuse. Right now. Fourth question, not next example. Fourth example. What is the symbolic equation? Tell me. Chemical equation. Manganese
MnO,
dioxide. MnO2. Understanding? MnO2
plus H2, HCl plus HCl
will form MnCl2. Manganese chloride. MnCl2 plus water. H2O plus
H2O,
Cl2. Understand?
Cl2.
Yeah. Now try to balance it. I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Try to balance it and tell me the balanced chemical equation. Tell me the balanced chemical equation.
Minutes, sir, I'm drawing the table.
You have to draw fast. You no need to wait for me. You have to finish it fast and tell me. Answer. Anybody? Now here, like this equation, if you'll observe, understand, we can apply the trick called as balance the species present alone on the end. Balance the species. First itself, balance the species present alone in the end. Write that. Trick one. Trick one. Now you see, within a single step, you can get it. Balance the species. Write it. Balance the species present alone in the end. Balance the species present alone in the end. Now you see, within single step, I will finish the equation. You have finished it in how many steps? 3 steps. Is it true or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Sir, present alone in the
True, sir.
end, sir.
Present alone in the end. Now you can finish it within 2 steps, you see. So now, let us go further now. Name of the element. Next, reactant side. And the next one is product side. So now tell me, 1, 2, 3. 3 elements or 4 elements are there? 3 or 4?
Manganese, 4, sir.
Manganese,
4, sir.
oxygen,
Oxygen, hydrogen,
chlorine.
fluorine.
Now reactant side, manganese 1, oxygens are 2,
1,
hydrogens are 1, chlorines are 1.
Chlorine 1.
That's all. Next, here,
Product.
manganese chloride. Here how many are there?